Welcome to my Giethoorn travel vlog, where I'll show you the top 20 things to do in Giethoorn, Netherlands, the fairy tale village known as the Dutch Venice. From exploring the charming Giethoorn canals and thatched roof houses to experiencing the best Giethoorn day trip, this Giethoorn travel guide has everything you need for an unforgettable visit. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my channel Alp Gallet Travels for more travel adventures. If you need more information, feel free to ask me in the comments. A walking tour in Giethoorn lets you explore the village at a relaxed pace while taking in its picturesque canals, charming wooden bridges, and beautiful gardens. Along the way, you'll learn about the history of this fairy tale-like village, dating back to the 13th century. The absence of cars in the historic center creates a peaceful and immersive experience, making every step a delight. Giethoorn is famous for its well-preserved thatched roof houses, which add to the village's storybook charm. These houses, some of which are centuries old, showcase traditional Dutch craftsmanship and provide a glimpse into the region's rich heritage. Strolling along the canals, you'll find many of these homes surrounded by vibrant flower gardens, creating picture-perfect scenery. Renting a bike in Giethoorn allows you to explore beyond the canals and discover the surrounding countryside and nature reserves. The village is connected to scenic cycling routes that lead to Weerribben-Wieden National Park, where you can enjoy serene landscapes and spot local wildlife. With well-maintained bike paths and minimal traffic, cycling here is a relaxing and enjoyable way to experience the area. A whisper boat is an electric, noiseless boat perfect for gliding through Giethoorn's peaceful canals without disturbing nature. Renting one gives you the freedom to explore at your own pace, steering through narrow waterways and discovering hidden corners of the village. It's a must-do activity for those wanting a more personal and tranquil experience on the water. For a more guided experience, a canal tour offers insights into Giethoorn's history and unique way of life. A knowledgeable skipper will navigate through the canals, pointing out significant landmarks and sharing fascinating stories about the village. It's a perfect option for those who prefer to sit back, relax, and enjoy the breathtaking scenery. Giethoorn is home to several artisan workshops where you can watch skilled craftsmen create traditional Dutch products. From wooden shoemaking to handmade ceramics, these workshops provide a deeper appreciation for local artistry. Some places even offer hands-on experiences, allowing visitors to craft their own unique souvenirs. While Giethoorn is known for its natural beauty, it also has quaint shops selling local crafts, souvenirs, and Dutch specialties. You can find beautifully handcrafted wooden items, traditional Delftware, and locally produced cheeses to take home. The shopping experience here is laid back, often accompanied by stunning canal views and friendly shopkeepers. Dining at a Waterside restaurant in Giethoorn is a treat, offering stunning views while you enjoy fresh and flavorful Dutch cuisine. From traditional pancakes, pannenkoeken, to freshly caught fish, there are plenty of delicious options to try. The relaxed, scenic setting makes every meal feel special, whether you're dining by candlelight in the evening or enjoying a sunny lunch by the water. Lake Bovenwijde is a serene and open water body just outside the village, ideal for a sailing adventure. Whether you rent a small sailboat or join a guided tour, gliding across the lake offers a refreshing change from the narrow canals. It's a great way to enjoy nature, spot birds, and experience the peaceful side of Giethoorn. After a day of exploring, unwind at one of Giethoorn's cozy cafes or bars, many of which are set along the canals. Sip on a freshly brewed coffee or enjoy a glass of Dutch wine while soaking in the charming views. Whether you prefer a lively atmosphere or a quiet spot to relax, these places offer the perfect setting to recharge and savor the village's magic. Museum Giethoorn T Old Mot Uus offers a fascinating glimpse into the village's past, showcasing traditional farmhouses, tools, and historical artifacts. Visitors can learn how early settlers lived and how peat excavation played a role in shaping Giethoorn. The museum also features costumed exhibits and interactive displays, making history come alive in an engaging way. Giethoorn is surrounded by breathtaking garden landscapes, with beautifully maintained greenery and vibrant flowers lining the canals. Many houses have private gardens that look like they belong in a fairy tale, adding to the village's charm. Walking through these scenic areas, you'll find a mix of traditional Dutch garden designs and natural beauty that change with the seasons. A picnic by the canals in Giethoorn is a perfect way to unwind and soak in the picturesque surroundings. You can bring your own food or pick up fresh Dutch treats from a local bakery and find a peaceful spot by the water. Watching the boats glide by while enjoying a relaxing meal makes for a truly memorable experience. Giethoorn is home to over 170 charming wooden bridges that cross its canals, offering fantastic spots to pause and take in the views. Standing on one of these bridges, you'll have a perfect vantage point to capture the village's beauty, with boats passing beneath and traditional houses in the background. Whether it's sunrise or sunset, these spots are ideal for a quiet moment of reflection and admiration. The Baptist Church in Giethoorn is a historic landmark that adds to the village's cultural and spiritual heritage. Its modest yet charming architecture blends beautifully with the serene surroundings, offering a peaceful retreat for visitors. Whether you're interested in history, architecture, or simply seeking a quiet moment of reflection, this church is worth a visit during your Giethoorn day trip. Spending a night in Giethoorn allows you to experience its tranquil charm without the daytime crowds. Many charming bed and breakfasts, boutique hotels, and even houseboats offer cozy stays right by the canals. Waking up to the sight of misty waters and the sound of birds creates a magical start to the day. Just outside Giethoorn, Weerribben-Wieden National Park is a vast wetland paradise perfect for nature lovers. The park is home to diverse wildlife, including otters, rare birds, and countless water plants, making it ideal for hiking, cycling, or boat trips. Whether you prefer a guided nature tour or a solo adventure, the park offers an escape into untouched Dutch wilderness. For a more active experience on the water, try stand-up paddleboarding, kayaking, or canoeing through Giethoorn's peaceful canals. These activities allow you to navigate narrow waterways that larger boats can't reach, giving you a unique perspective of the village. The calm waters make it easy for beginners to try, while experienced paddlers can explore further into the surrounding lakes and nature reserves. The Oude Museum is a hidden gem in Giethoorn, showcasing an extraordinary collection of rare gemstones, minerals, and fossils from around the world. Visitors can admire dazzling crystals, meteorites, and even a collection of exotic rocks with fascinating geological stories. It's an interesting stop for both adults and children, offering a mix of natural science and beauty. Giethoorn is a photographer's dream, offering stunning canal views, charming cottages, and reflections of wooden bridges in the water. Whether capturing the misty morning light, colorful gardens, or traditional boats drifting along the canals, there's no shortage of picturesque moments. From drone shots over the village to close-up details of Dutch architecture, every angle of Giethoorn presents a perfect photo opportunity. I hope you enjoyed this Giethoorn travel guide and discovered the top things to do in Giethoorn, Netherlands. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing travel content. If you have any questions or need more information, feel free to ask me in the comments. I'd love to help.